Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in this topic today we are going to discuss about the continuation signals, continuation signs, why the candles are moving in an up direction and why the candles are continuing its movement in a down direction. Now you can see here, if I analyze this market here, only this market, now you can see, okay, now you can see here this candle is making a bearish candlestick here, but now where is the level? The level is here, from this point to this point. Now if the candle starts to move up in an up direction and it has to hit this area where my cursor is, then now you can see it is directly going down because of this gap. So now you can see market is going down. So in this zone, what you need to do, you can see here market is showing to you that this is a real level. So now if the market closes here, what I will do, I am going to take my trade here in a up direction. But now suddenly what happened, buyers entered, so it can close also as a bearish again. So it is a situation. So now you can see, now you can see here market is trying to go up, but we need to take our trade. Okay, now I have taken my trade here in a down direction. So as I told you, we are talking about the continuation sign. So this candle, this bullish candle, is a sign of continuation. Why? You can see here, this is the level. So now market closed where? This was the support, and this time this is the resistance. The buyers are weak. It has to go down, and they also made a new low. So it means that this candle is not a reversal candle. This candle is a sign of continuation, and it will lead this market to go down. Now you can see we won this trade. Now again, I can consider this candle as a sign of continuation, but market has to get a rejection from this zone. If it is going down, I'm going to take my trade in a down direction. Because buyers are here, there is a small gap, still there is a small gap, so now I cannot take any trade. Now if I want to analyze the market here, you can see this market is telling me that this level is a strong level. Let me show you here. This level is the next strongest level. Why? Because you can see market is getting a rejection exactly from this area. So what I need to do, I need to wait. Okay, strongness and volume wise the candle is strong. Now I can go here with the buyers. I have taken my trade here in an up direction. Now you will see the market has to go up because this is a strong candle. So this is a strong candle. So as I told you, our next level is here. So market has to close at this area. So now you can see buyers are entering continuously. My entry point is late. It is a bit a risky one, but I know market has to close as a bullish because I am showing you here the perfect analysis. Now you can see again I got here an ATM. So now you can see here what this candle is showing to us. This candle is showing me that now we were expecting a seller's area here. Now the seller's area shifted from this point to this point, so there is no need to follow this one. Now the market will go up, and now you can see market is trying to go up from this point. So if you analyze the market here, okay, now you can see a very strong candle is entering. So now you can see here after this candlestick, again what I am seeing here a strong candle. So what will be my next level. So you can see here market is getting the rejection from this zone, so it is telling us that the next move will be an upwards move, and your next level is here. Your next level is okay. I have taken my trades to secure myself, but again late entries, no issues. Now you can see what market is telling to us. They are telling us that this is the next level, this one, and market has to cover this area. Now you can see market is trying to go up. So now you can see again a weak candle. Most of the time we think that market will reverse, but it will not reverse, because you can see here a momentum, and you can see here that the next level was here. So there was a gap. So let me show you here. Because of this gap I took my trade here. So now you can see again I won this trade. So we need to analyze the markets like this. So market closed here, got the rejection from this zone, so it is a confirmation that the next candle, okay, I can expect here a seller's entry, yes, but I will wait. You can see exactly from the levels which I have drawn, market is getting the rejection. So the analysis are very simple and easy to understand. Okay, now you can see here, watch this candle. This is the rejection, this is the level, this is the level, so this is the level. So again, if the market closes here, I'm going to take my trade in a, okay, I need to check it out. Okay, so now in this time, what I am seeing here, I am seeing here a buyer's entry, but you can see here what is my next level. I got the rejection from this zone, so this is the next level. Okay, now you can see again market is exactly at that zone. So from this point we are seeing here a seller's entries, so I need to wait. Okay, now again I can expect here a buyer's entry. It is a ranging market, so I will use here my rejection strategy. Now you will see if the candle hits this area, this lower low of this one, so I am going to take my trade in an up direction. Okay, I am waiting. Now I have taken my trade here, but unfortunately I am late, so I will continue the trading after a few minutes. So let's see, and the candle has to close as a winning trade. If this was my entry point, this was a sure short win. So now you can see this is the area, so the candle has to close above this area. So let's see. Okay, yes, it is closing above this one, so I will continue the trading after 1 to 2 minutes. So again here I have taken my trade in a down direction, and the next move will be a downwards move. You can see I have taken this trade on the basis of this breakout, I have taken this trade on the basis of this continuation, and I have taken this trade on the basis of this rejection. Now you can see here this support is working here as a resistance, so because of this the market will close as a bearish. So this is how you can easily identify the levels and you can easily take your trades. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. So bye for now. If you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram, and you can join our trading skills group. The link is in the description. So stay blessed you all, have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye for now.